सेकंड के है मेरी डिफरेंस और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ हुल शेयर्स के बारे में। हुल शेयर्स अप एज कंपनी प्लान्स 2000 crore investment to boost manufacturing capacity. Hindustan Unilever Ltd CEO and Managing Director Priya Nahir said this investment reflected Hull's strategy focus on scaling our brands and creating categories of the future to meet employing consumer needs. Hull share of Hindustan Unilever Ltd, key fast-moving consumer goods player, were trading in green on Thursday, February 19, after the company announced that it will be invest 2,000 crore enhance manufacturing capacity in fast-growing premium categories across beauty and well-being and home care segment. The stock was up 0.16% to 2,327.20 based on the National Stock Exchange at 9:18 a.m. It is the market capitalization stood at 5,47,149.32 crore. The company's board on February 18 approved the proposed investment. According to an exchange filing, the investment will occur over a period of 2 years across multiple locations. The proposed investment is in line with the company's strategy of focusing on fewer, larger bets and strengthening its presence in high-growth demand space, including premium skincare, hair care, personal care, and home care liquids, said Hull, which own popular brands like Surf Excel, Rin, Domex, Vim, CIF, Well, and Comfort in the home care segment. The company will leverage advances automation and digital technology, said Hull, adding that the capacity expansion is expected to improve supply chain efficiency and agility. This will also allow Hull's operation with the brands such as Lakme, Pond's, Dove, Vaseline, Glow, Lovely, Sunslick, among others in the beauty well-being segment to have a faster response to evolving consumer needs. Stock towards February 19, IT stock quarter for Cochin Shipyard, Dr. Reddy Yadip's Life Jindal saw. The initiative is aimed at building a future-ready manufacturing networks that can effectively support emerging channels and the high-growth formats. CEO and Managing Director Priya Nahir said this investment reflected Hull's strategy focus on scaling our brands and creating categories of the future to meet employing consumer needs. It is also underscore our commitment to building a resilient technology